Hi, it's me, Tavee again. Um, as you see in my videos, it has full of lighter tricks, full of Rubik's Cubes. Well, I like Rubik's Cubes, but still I can't beat my own record for 42 seconds, and that sucks. I like to play with fire also. That's why I play with my zippo here, my zippo lighter here. See? And I simply like everything. I'm a happy person, and I'll be showing you some of my zippo tricks. Uh, One of my tricks is, or some of my tricks is just made by myself, or it was just modified by myself. But some tricks that I will perform is some of them are from the internet, so you can just click and find Zippo on YouTube. Just type it Zippo there, Zippo tricks, and you will simply find plenty of Zippo tricks, and it will also teach you. But maybe I'm one of those who likes to just video myself and just to have fun. And here it goes. This one's modified. This is the gun. This is called the ring igniter. This one's called the Twilight Zone, which everybody on the internet likes to do. Here it goes. Jing! Well, that's what I like to do with my lighter. Just play around and tap. There you go. Tap. 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 Well, that's all. Thank you. Goodbye. Hi to all and for your players. Okay, I'm done.